Okay, guys, let's take a look at our Euro USD by the way. So today it's 19. We would want to see where this movement will be made, right? And take a look at this Euro USD to be able to predict this price. I want us to actually start from the weekly time frame. So we are going to understand the movement of this price and why we'll be taking such trades. So before you actually go, please and please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and make your comments. Now take a look at this Euro USD. This is the full trend on the weekly time frame. We will start from here. Clearly, we can see it is a bearish movement, right? We all know that this price is dropping. So, I mean, even if you're a new beginner, you would have known that this is actually a bearish move. And I've included the moving average, which is 10. Since our price is still below 10 period moving average. So technically, we are on a bearish move. Our indicator also says we are bearish. So there's only one movement we should be making, which is we are to sell this Euro USD. So our price is still on a bearish move, right? Now take a look at this movement here. Let's start this from here. We saw that we had this rejection from here, then we had this correction, right? Then we had this drop, and here the correction was made. Add this impulse movement downward, you can see it, and we can see here as a correction. Of course, after this correction, we are expecting another bearish move. So on the weekly time frame, right, we are expecting a bearish move that will be made, that at least should be able to break this lows. This is our previous lows that was made, then a correction was made, right? This was the previous low before a correction was made. Now we are expecting another bearish move to be made to actually break this lows, which I believe by the end of this month we should be able to break it, because I strongly believe Euro USD will drop further downward. So on the weekly time frame, notice if you are to trade on the weekly time frame, you have to short it. We should be able to break these lows within 2 or 3 weeks. So it is up to you. Now that will now take us to our daily time frame. Now take a look at this daily time frame. We all know that we are on a bearish move, right? So the price is dropping. This is a clear movement, right? We want to trade with the trend. Like they always say, the trend is your friend. Trade with the trend. So we clearly want to trade with the trend. So we can now see that we are on a bearish move. Now, I know you guys will be saying that, okay, a move has been made, right? We had this correction, right? And again, another move has been made, right? I know you people will be saying, okay, there will be a correction here, and again, another move that will be made. But I'm not saying it is a lie. It is very much possible, but I don't think it will happen. Something of such will happen, because I'm still seeing this as a bearish move. By the way, I'm still seeing these movements like this as a correction, because of course once we start having that bearish move, right, price needs to drop. Once it drops, a correction should be made, right? After the correction should be made, another impulse move should break low, then possibly a correction, and another low should happen that will take out these lows. That is exactly what I feel, what this price will move. Of course, price cannot just move bearish move like that. Price cannot just drop like that just because it is going low. Definitely it will actually drop, give us a pullback, then another drop will occur. That is the movement of a bearish move. Now I'll tell you why I say that we're very much likely to be going bearish within today and tomorrow, because this 19 we will very much close bearish at the next day. Now the reason is that is this level price will react at a certain level. So price has now come to this level, right? So of course we had a bearish move, right? Then a pullback should occur. So we should see the pullback react at this level, previous level, right? Price do react at a previous level. If you notice, once price get to a level where it has reacted to previously, it will definitely react at that same level again. We saw price came to this level, it reacted here, right? It also came to this level, it reacted here. If you have to, okay, that is it. Price actually came here, react to this level twice. So definitely, as this price is going, giving us this pullback level, we should actually see it react at this level by giving us that bearish move. So this is why we've actually opened bearish, by the way. So I believe by the end of the day, we would actually close bearish. At least we should see that drop to about 0.97790. So at least we still have about 57 pips more bearish move to be made. At least we should see that drop at least 57. It depends on how early you are watching it, though. We might have made that drop before the New Year section, or in that New Year section we might make that drop. Price might correct and give us another drop. So it just depends, right? So we would want to see at least this drop to this level here, which is about 0.9 7790. So we still have about 57 pips to go. No, close to 60 pips by the way. So Euro USD, we are still on a bearish move, so we should be seeing a drop anytime soon. Now that should now take us to our 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this 4-hour time frame. You can see that price is rejecting here. Price came here, it is rejecting, right? It is actually failing to break this top because price react at a certain level. So price has once reacted at this level. Definitely price is at this same level. So of course we should expect it to react. We see it react here. We see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually it reacted here 6 times previously. Definitely we should see this rejection here. We see 1, 2 rejection. We should continue to see that rejection to give us that break on our Euro USD. So we should be expecting a drop at least 50, about 50 pips. If you can see that drop to this level here, which is not bad, from here to there, that is still 56 pips that we once talked about in our daily time frame. We talked about 57 pips, close to 60 pips. So if you can see that drop on our 4-hour time frame down to this level, which will be giving us about 56 pips, it's still not bad. So Euro USD, if you want to short it, I'll say, if you have to take this trade, I'll say actually short it, because one, rejection has happened multiple times. Price has failed to break it. It means a bearish move is about to happen. Two, this price has now broken our 10-period moving average. So I mean, this is time to actually short it. So for our time frame, I think it is actually a bearish move to be made now. And let's see what this 1-hour time frame says. I think it is actually rejecting. We see it reject here 1. We saw it reject here, right? On the 1-hour time frame, this is it. Rejected 1, rejected 2, rejected 3, right? And we see this good impulse drop. Maybe once a pullback has occurred on the 1-hour time frame, then you should enter and short this trade. You should be able to take this trade, break below this level. Price should be able to give us a pullback at this level again, then another break below this level before we see this break, pullback, and a break to this our level we just talked about. So I mean Euro USD on weekly time frame down to our 1-hour time frame, we have to actually short this movement.